Hey guys, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. This is just a small haul, so without further ado, let me share with you what I got. Alright, so here we go guys. As you can see, I have two bags here. And again, like I said, this is just a small haul, but it's still worth to share. So this container, first item I got is this beautiful organizer. It's back, guys. And this is the one that is the thinner size, or it's a thinner than the other one, and but it's long. Look at the lead. So I have this. I got two of the gray color and two of the green. So I have the green lead here, or the green handle, and here you go. Like I said, it's this kind of container. Let me show with you guys. So how you guys been doing? Hope everybody is doing okay. There's still items here inside my container. So here you go. This is the container that I'm talking about. So it's long and clear. I'm so obsessed with this kind of container, guys. And so every time I found this at Dollar Tree, I pick it up. So this is how it says here, storage box. And again, this is the one that has this type of lid and with the handle. That is awesome! I love that. Yeah, I love that very much. Alright, so next item. I have all these items here in my inside my container. So first, this one is not new, but I need this, so I get one of this. This is the snack bags. So I always use this for my husband's snack for school, so I pick that up. And then I also get this one of this sandwich bag. This is by Surefresh, and this one has 58 sacks, and this one has 50 instead of 45. So it has 50 um, bags here. So I got both of them. So there you go. Alright, moving on. Next item I got here. This one is another repeat buy. It's a makeup removal pads. Comes in 2 piece. And I get the one in blue color. Moving on, next item here. This one is new. I just found this at our local Dollar Tree. And this is the fillable bath brush. This one, I got the one in gray. I get two of this. This one you can put, what you call this? You can put soap inside. And then you can use it for stream. Right there, there's an instruction inside. And you can use it for shower. So I get the one in green or gray, and I also have another one here that is in purple color. Isn't that cool? I love that. So there you go. So I got both this. Alright, moving on. Next item I have here in this container. I found this. This is also new by Tool Bench Hardware, and this is a safety scraper with blades. This is how it looks. That is awesome. I got two of this, and there's instruction here at the back. Always wear protective gloves when handling blades because this one is sharp. So I got one in yellow, and I also have one in orange color. Where is it? Have it here somewhere. I apologize. I'm not ready. Here you go. This is the orange one. And it's also a safety scraper with blades. So this is how it looks. I love it. It's beautiful, guys. So I got those. Next, I found this beautiful headband. This one you can put all the way to your head. and then it will lock on this side. So I just get one to try. They only have this kind of only one of this. They don't have any other style, but this one. So I just get this one. All right, next item here. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Isn't this cool? You can saw it. You can saw this on my Dollar Tree walkthrough that I just uploaded recently. And this is an Alta 3-piece nesting liquid measuring cup set. So it includes 3 cups right there. And it says here tapered pouring rim for smooth flow. And then look at that. There is 3 cups here. So yeah, this is good to try for the kitchen. It has the measurement. As you can see right there, it has a measurement on the sides. And here is the back of the label. Dishwasher safe, measurement markings in ounces and millimeter, cups nest together for convenient storage, and tapered pouring rim, no drips. There's 1 cup, 2 cups, and 4 cups. Isn't that cool? So I get one of this to add on my kitchen. Alright, moving on. Next item I have here is this nail clipper by Sassy and Chic. I got this one in black. They also have a different colors of this. They have green, pink, and purple. But I only get this one. And they also have blue color. I just get the black one to try. I hope it will work fine for me. So I get that. Next item I have is another adhesive rings that I am going to use for the pegboard. So I got one of this. And next item I got, this is also new. This is the extra tough ultra strong shipping expedition tape. This is a packing tape. And look how thick it is, guys. Look at that. There's a good amount of this tape right here. So I get one of this. Next thing I have here is, I found this interesting, so I get one of this. It's a nail stamp by Sassy and Chic. And of course, if they also have an instruction at the back. And of course, because there is a nail stamp, I also try to get the nail stamp plate. So I get this one. They also have a different selection for this one. You can check out my Dollar Tree walkthrough. And I show there, guys, the other selection for this stamp plate. So I get this one. And then I also get this one that has it's like a tiger face there. And what you call that, zebra, yeah. And there's like a skin, animal skin. And again, they also have a different selection for this kind of plates. Next and the last item I have here is this beautiful sponge powder puff with case, by Sassy and Chic. I got this one in the blue color. Looks like purple, but it's blue. I got this one. It also has the ring here, so you can hang it. And if you're done with the puff, you can also use this for organizing, guys. You can put headphone here or the charger. And there's a lot of possibilities on this one. So yeah, I get this one in blue. I get this one in teal. Look at that, how pretty it is. And this one in burgundy color, but the pop is pink. How cool it is, isn't it? So beautiful. I'm happy that I found this one. And there you have it, guys. That is all my Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. Until the next video, guys. Thank you all for watching. God bless everyone. Bye for now. See you on the next vlog.